to party!
Yes! Hey! Nako, yan na nga. Pero tanong lang natin dito, sino-sino dito yung mga Aurora Loyalists? At ilan nyo na dito? Pang 5th year naman natin ngayon. So, nako, I think deserve nyo ng Loyalty Awards.
Yes, diba? Feel ko, kailangan na nila ng loyalty award. Yes, para deserve nila ng recognition like that. Diba? Pero syempre, CJ and also Joy and also Aurora Nation, no joke lahat kayo, grabe. Music festival goers, music lovers, and you are part of history. 4 years of love, 4 years of music, 4 years of good vibes only here at Aurora Music Fest. That is right, and the good news is day 1 is just starting. Tonight is just getting started, but we feel that OPM is rising. Pinoy pride is living, and we're serving you back to back to back epic acts for day 1.
Absolutely. So, Aurora Nation, stay loud, stay wild, and stay ready because your Aurora adventure is about to go off the charts!
Ito na talaga ang pinakamasaya, pinakasikat at pinaka-extra sa lahat ng music fest dito sa Pilipinas. Hindi lang ito basta festival. This is Aurora Music Festival! Pinaka!
Yes, and every year, hindi lang tayo nagpapasiklaba sa mga performances. We bring the heat up in the sky! Alam niyo na yan. Joy and Ayana, what's Aurora without the iconic
Hot Air Balloon! Ay guys, wala pa.
Kalma.
Wala lang kayo.
Pero ready lang natin sila.
Ready lang. Okay. Pero natin our sponsors yes. Pero yung ating iconic Aurora Hot Air Balloons, makikita natin yan later on dito sa ating